Why is someone on my mind so much? If this is a question you've heard yourself asking, and yet you haven't been able to find an answer, to find why you're constantly thinking of him or her, and you can't seem to stop, no matter what you've tried to do, no matter how you've tried to perhaps distract yourself or shift your thoughts to something, someone else, there they are. They are the person that's always in your thoughts. Why is this? I'm going to answer this question in this video. I'm also going to help you truly find how it is that you can move forward through this, because it's happening for a reason. It's not happening just randomly. There's a reason for this. My name's Aliki. I'm here to help you upgrade your energy. And what better way to upgrade our energy than to understand our thoughts, to see why things are happening, why someone is in our thoughts, and how it is that this can help us move forward, truly expand our energy, uplift our spirits, and move into motivation and inspiration. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet and you enjoy this video, hit the subscribe button. I truly appreciate it. And thank you so much for being here. Now, when someone's in your thoughts and on your mind, it's because there is something that has attracted you, has attracted your attention. It doesn't necessarily have to be that it's attracted your energy of love, that you're in love with him or her. It could be absolutely anything, but there are feelings coming up. These could be positive feelings, it could be negative feelings. There is something coming up. And according to how it is that you are feeling as you're thinking about him or her, that's where the key is to why they're in your thoughts. If it's something that you're experiencing and feeling and that you're so attracted to their energy, so attracted to something that you've seen, something that has caught your attention in who they are, in something that they say, in something that they do, in the energy that they emit, then look at this. Look at how it is you're feeling. Look at what it is that you admire in them. Look at what it is that's attracting you so much. Is it something that you're seeing in him or her? Or is it something that they bring out in you that you truly enjoy experiencing? Many times we're attracted to someone not as much because of who they are, but because of how they make us feel. We see that energy coming forward. We see us being at our very best. Things that we say and do and feel, we feel perhaps inspired, we feel excited, we feel creative, and we find ourselves moving into someone perhaps that we haven't seen ourselves being around other people. And we feel comfortable perhaps when we're around them, when we're in their company. And that's a wonderful thing to feel. And yes, when you move into that kind of energy and you find someone that brings out this in you, you want to experience more of it. So of course they will be on your mind. It's like you're craving their presence. You're craving for them to be in your life because you believe that this is the only way that this will come forward in you. Another reason, say that when you're around them, it's not that you're experiencing so positive feelings, but you're noticing something in them that is triggering and bringing out very intense feelings within you. They could be any type of feeling, but you will feel that intensity and you won't really know what to do with that energy. You'll feel that you can't really think clearly, that you're confused, that you can't find answers. And if you're someone that normally finds answers very easily within you and you've suddenly found yourself feeling cloudy and confused, that's an excellent sign that they are bringing forward something within you that you need to see, understand, and release. Whenever it's something that is so intense that it's causing cloudiness, it's not there for you to stay in that cloudiness, to stay in that confusion. That person is bringing something forward in you. Perhaps it's an intense feeling that you felt in the past, something that you've experienced in the past, and you see it in them. They seem to somehow reflect it back to you. And as you see this coming up, you feel that they are the cause of it, but they're not actually the cause. They're helping you bring forward, to bring into the physical here and now, and to be consciously aware of this energy. And once you become consciously aware of it and you see it, but you need to look at it to see it, then you can choose to let it go. So this is another powerful thing that could happen. When you find yourself moving into this heavy energy, don't just keep moving forward, stuck in that heavy energy. Stop. Move your energy into your heart and into your core. Look at the energy. Look at what it is you are experiencing, what it is that you should see in order to let it go. And the more you're able to truly release it, truly understand it, then you can move forward. And this person, you'll see that as you do that inner work, let's say, make those things, those corrections, the understanding, the depth, deepening of your understanding, the choosing that this is not what I want, I deserve so much better, then they will no longer constantly be in your thoughts and in your mind. They were there to reveal this to you, to bring it forward for you. Another thing that happens is that you pick up on their energy. You pick up on their thoughts, you pick up on their feelings, and you confuse them to be your own. And that can be very, very hard to move out of, because it's coming from someone else and it's coming forward from within you. So you think that it's yours, and you just keep going forward with this and thinking, why can't I stop thinking of him or her? What's wrong with me? And nothing is wrong with you. They are thinking of you. Either they're in love with you, or they're trying to work out something about you, or you are causing very intense feelings in them. The feelings that we just mentioned for you could be something that he or she is experiencing. And when this happens, you seem to get like swept along in this very muddled energy, because it's your thoughts, your feelings together with his or her thoughts and feelings. And unless you're truly standing with great confidence and true awareness of what your thoughts and feelings are, what your energy feels like, you can just get swept away in this. So when this happens, if you become aware that this is what you're experiencing and this is what is happening to you, just stand. Stand within you. Imagine that you're standing on powerful ground within you, and move all your energy into your heart, into your core, all your focus. Let go of thinking of him or her and move all your energy into you. Once you do that, if the constant thinking stops that moment, then it wasn't coming forward from you. You were picking up on their thoughts, their feelings, and what it is that they're experiencing. When you do this, you can't truly stay in this state until you've really mastered this and you've spent a lot of time stabilizing your energy, truly moving into being heart-centered. An important thing to remember is that this isn't happening randomly. It's happening for a reason. And this reason is always a choice. You can choose how it is you want to move forward. Is it something that you need to understand and move deeper into? Or is it something that you need to understand and let go of, release? Whatever it is, know that this is definitely happening for you to be more conscious, more aware, and see that it's all here for you. You're not stuck in thinking about him or her. You're moving forward by becoming more consciously aware that we're all connected, that we're all here together and we're all moving forward together. What is happening is triggering change within you. Only if you actually choose to change, choose to see. And for you to see, you need to look. Look and you'll understand. It's actually quite fun to do. You could see it as a game. Use your imagination. Use the power within you, your happiness and your love. I wish you happiness and love. Thank you so much for being here. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and also remember to like.